Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, this is Zavardy, and for today I'm gonna show you this USB cable charger and how it works. So I had bought these 3 sets of different colors. We have the green, red, blue. Actually, this cable illuminates more in dark areas. So let's see what I've got. Just connect this cable to your adapter. This cable supports fast charging and supposedly data transmission, but as I've tried to connect on my computer, it does not show any file transfer. There will be a beautiful light flowing along the cable when plugging in and charging your device. This is suitable for use at night. The LED effect flow is great and also suitable for car charging. And when charging, the light of the charging cable flows like a running water to your mobile phone. It has high-quality outer shell, provides extra durability and added flexibility for the phone. Material is sturdy and durable. Take note, if your phone is charging with this data cable and can't be quickly charged, please check if your USB power adapter is a fast adapter. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See ya! This is the actual lighting effect at night or on dark areas.